Imagine the feel of warm sand beneath your feet, the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore, and the smell of salt in the air. The allure of the beach is something that resonates deeply within us. It's a sensory experience that transcends simple pleasure, reaching into our soul, stirring emotions, and creating memories. Close your eyes and picture yourself there, your toes sinking into the soft sand, the cool rush of water as it laps around your ankles. The rhythmic hush and roar of the waves become a lullaby, calming your mind and awakening your senses. The scent of the sea, a potent mix of salt and seaweed, is invigorating, a natural aromatherapy. As the sun begins to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, you realize the day is drawing to a close. This is the magic of the beach, a place where memories are made and worries are washed away. Now picture yourself strolling along the shoreline, the waves gently lapping at your feet. You are barefoot, and the sand is warm beneath your toes. As the waves come in, they leave a trail of coolness that makes you feel more connected to the universe. The beach is a place where you can be alone with your thoughts, yet feel a part of something larger. As you walk, you're surrounded by the symphony of the sea. The rhythmic sound of the waves crashing against the beach is like a soothing lullaby. The occasional cry of a seagull, the wind rustling through the palm trees, and the distant laughter of children playing in the surf blend into a harmonious soundtrack that is uniquely the beach's own. The air here is different too. It's salty and clean. It's the kind of air that fills your lungs and feels good. The breeze is gentle, but it's enough to make the heat of the sun bearable. It brushes against your skin, whispering secrets only the sea knows. And then, there are the discoveries. The beach is like a treasure chest. Every day, the tide brings in new gifts from the sea. You might stumble upon a perfectly intact seashell, its intricate patterns a testament to nature's artistry. Or maybe you'll spot a starfish, still alive, just waiting for the next wave to carry it back home. As you continue your stroll, you might see a pod of dolphins playing in the distance, their silhouettes dancing against the backdrop of the setting sun. It's these moments that make a walk along the beach special, and it's not just about what you see or hear, it's about the tranquility, the sense of peace that envelops you. The beach has this uncanny ability to slow down time, to make you appreciate the now. It's a place where you can leave your worries behind, where you can simply be. A walk on the beach is more than just a walk. It's an experience that touches your soul. Among the world's beaches, one stands out for its irresistible charm: Zadar Beach in Croatia. Imagine a stretch of golden sand, kissed by the warm, radiant sun, and caressed by the gentle waves of the crystal-clear Adriatic Sea. This is not just a beach. It's a paradise that beckons you to shed your worries, don your bikini, and surrender to the joys of nature. Zadar Beach has a unique allure that is hard to resist. It's not just about the sand and the sea, but also the enchanting surroundings. The dense pine forests nearby provide a lush, green contrast to the azure sea, creating a picturesque landscape that's nothing short of a painter's dream. As you walk along the beach, the soft crunch of the sand under your feet and the rhythmic lullaby of the waves create a symphony that's as soothing as it is invigorating. The warmth of the Croatian sun on your skin feels like a gentle caress, a tangible reminder of the beauty of being alive and in the moment. Experiencing Zadar Beach in a bikini is an experience like no other. It's a celebration of freedom, a communion with nature, and a testament to the joy of being comfortable in your own skin. Every step you take, every wave you dive into, becomes a cherished memory, a precious moment locked in the sands of time. The charm of Zadar Beach goes beyond its stunning beauty. It's the sense of peace it brings, the way it makes you feel at home, even if you're thousands of miles away from your actual home. It's the friendly locals who welcome you with open arms, the delicious Croatian cuisine that's a feast for both the eyes and the palate, and the vibrant culture that's as captivating as the beach itself. Zadar Beach, an oasis of beauty and tranquility, is a beach lover's dream come true. It's a destination that promises unforgettable experiences, a place where every moment is a treasure waiting to be discovered. So come, embrace the irresistible charm of Zadar Beach, and let it leave an indelible mark on your heart. Opening. The beach is more than a destination. It's a call to freedom, to relaxation, to joy. There's a certain magic in the whisper of the ocean, a siren song that tugs at the heart of every traveler. It's the call of the beach, a beckoning that promises not just sun-soaked sands and azure waves, but an escape from the ordinary, a respite from the mundane. It's a call to a world where time slows down, where worries fade into the distant horizon, and where every footprint in the sand is a testament to moments of joy and tranquility. The beach is a playground, a sanctuary, and a stage all rolled into one. It's where sandcastles rise and fall, where laughter rings out above the roar of the waves, and where friendships are forged in the shared thrill of riding the surf. It's where we bear more than our bodies. We bear our souls, as we let the rhythm of the ocean wash over us, cleansing us of our cares and stresses. The beach is a shared experience, a common ground that brings together people from all walks of life. It's where the child in us rejoices at the sight of seashells and the joyous abandon of a game of beach volleyball. It's where we huddle around bonfires, sharing stories and creating memories under the star-studded sky. It's where we witness the sun dipping into the ocean, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, a spectacle that leaves us in awe of nature's grandeur. The beach is a testament to the simple joys of life. It's the cool breeze on a hot day, the delight of a perfectly timed wave, the satisfaction of a day well spent. It's the camaraderie, the fun, and the shared experiences that make each beach walk a journey of discovery, of connection, of rejuvenation. Closing. So heed the call of the beach. Embrace the joy, the freedom, and the beauty it offers. Let it fill your heart with its melody. Let it soothe your spirit with its rhythm. Answer its call, for the beach is more than a place. It's a state of mind, a way of life. The beach is waiting, inviting you to experience its magic. Why not plan your own beach trip? Feel the joy, the tranquility of a sandy stroll. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating beach experiences. Because the beach is not just a place, it's a feeling, and we're here to help you capture it.